Hi, welcome to class. Translation is another type of transformation, and in my opinion is the simplest type of transformation that we have. Mainly because what a translation does is it removes the object from its position and puts it somewhere else without changing its shape, without rotating it. It simply moves from one place to another. Now, to define fully a translation, you need a column vector. A column vector is like this, where your x value represents your movement in the x-axis or in the horizontal axis, and the y represents your movement in the vertical axis. So if x is negative, it means you're going towards the left and you're traveling horizontally. But if it's positive, you are going towards the right, as well as you are traveling horizontally. But for y, if it's negative, you are traveling downwards vertically. If it's positive, you're traveling upwards vertically. Both, when combined, will help you find a location on the Cartesian plane. Okay, let's consider translating the triangle ABC. Let's say we are told to translate this triangle through the column vector 2, 1. What it means is that we are just going to move 2 spaces to the right and 1 space upwards. So we might begin with A. We move A, B, and C 2 units towards the right, 1 unit upwards. We're able to do that and we are done. So let's begin with A. For position A, which is right there, we move it 2 units to the right. 1, 2, and then 1 unit upwards. 1, 1, 2, and then 1. So that means our new A is here. We're going to call it A prime. Let me just put it below here. Then for B, we also move 1, 2, 1. So this is our new B. Call it B prime. For C, 1, 2, 1. So our new C is here. We call it C prime. And all we have to do next is to join the triangle. And here is our translated version of ABC. The good thing about this particular type of transformation is you can easily check if you have got it right or not. The object and the image are going to look the same. Let's take another example. We're using the same triangle ABC, but say we wanted to translate it using the column vector 0, -4. What will this look like? 0 here, remember I said that is the horizontal movement. It simply means you are not moving at all on the horizontal, but you'll be moving vertically. And because it's negative, it means you're going downwards and you're going to be traveling 4 places. Let's begin with A. Since we are going downwards, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our new A prime will be here. For C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know here is C prime. For B, 1, 2, 3, 4. We know here is B prime. And all we need to do next is to join the points. So A prime, B prime, and C prime here represents the image after translation using this column vector. Alright, and here's where we stop for today. If you have enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.